Start with a slip knot. And chain 140, or else you can start with any even number of chains. Now here is a small tip to have an untwisted chain. Chain few stitches and remove your hook. Insert hook into the first chain like this, and insert hook into the continuing chain and continue with the stitches. This way, when you do the last slip stitch, the chains, it won't be twisted. Once you're done, make a slip stitch into this first chain. This is how it will look. Next round, start with chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 1 half double crochet into each and every stitch. This is the first stitch. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all. Continue with 1 half double crochet in each stitch. Once you reach them, do not make a slip stitch. We'll be working in continuous rounds. Now this round onwards, we'll be working only into the third loop. This is the first loop, this is the second loop, and here in the back, this is the third loop. Front loop, back loop, and the third loop, this one. Make 1 half double crochet into each of the third loop of the stitches. 1, 2, and 3. This is the third loop. 1 half double crochet. Continue with the stitches. First loop, second loop, and this is the third loop. This is how the stitches will look. Once you get a hang of it, it will be easy to make the stitches. Continue this until the end. Now once you reach the end, do not make a slip stitch. We'll be working in continuous rounds. This is how it will look. Now keep repeating this round until it's around 5 to 6 inches. We'll be working only into this third loop. This is the next stitch. Keep the stitches loose. It will be easy to make the next stitches. This is how the stitches will look. Once you reach this size, make a slip stitch into this next stitch, into the third loop, and weave off your yarn. This is how it will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.